Alright, welcome, and my name is Karaman. Today we're gonna learn about creating a simple web page in Visual Studio Code. First, we're gonna have to create a folder. Then we open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Next thing is we're gonna create a file and name it index.html. Creating a file with index.html means that this page will be first of all a web page because of the extension .html, and next it will be loaded first as the home page because it's named index. Alright, now we're gonna have to enter the default HTML structure in Visual Studio Code by simply entering the exclamation mark and then press enter key. Then you're gonna have to write the code. After writing the code, you're gonna have to save the file, and previewing the website is simply by opening the folder containing the web page and double click on that web page. Alright, let's go and start with the work. First, we're gonna have to create a new folder on the desktop. You can name this folder whatever name you like. For me, I will say my website. This folder will be containing the files for the website, all the files, images, everything. Alright, now we're gonna have to open Visual Studio Code. After opening Visual Studio Code, next step is we open the folder containing the page. Click open folder. So this is the folder containing that's going to contain the website. Select folder. After selecting the folder, you can see here app it's selected. So there are some icons here. You can see click new file, type index.html. As I told you, .html means our page will be read as a web page in the browser. It will not be read as a normal page. And index.html means that the web page will be loaded first when this website is uploaded, when in other words when it's live on the net. This will be the default page that's loaded. Okay, to access the default HTML structure, normally sometimes it's like this, but this is time wasting. We're gonna have to enter an exclamation mark by simply pressing shift and 1 to access the exclamation and press enter. So we change the title of the web page to be my first web page. Alright, now once this is done, remember to save for every change you make. You save, or you can simply press Ctrl plus S. Alright, now next step is gonna have to create that content. First of all, when you're having your website and it's running, the most exciting part is having the right arrangement of data. Headings are arranged from heading 1 to heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5. The last one is heading 6. This is the smallest heading. Okay, I'll be showing you this in the next video that I'll be creating. Let's name our heading as welcome to my first web page. Save by pressing Ctrl plus S. Okay, enter. Now next part is to preview what we have made. Okay, simply go back to the desktop, or otherwise locate the folder that is having a website. For me, I created it on the desktop. You can see it's here, just right here. That's it. That's the one that I created. Okay, now we're gonna have to open this. Yeah. Alright, now as you can see, that's the file that I created. That's my file, so let's open it. Double click to access the file. Okay, it may open in any browser. For me, it opened in Opera browser. Okay, now it's loading. Alright, now as you can see, this is the title, my first web page. That's the title that we wrote earlier. This, my first web page. That's the title that you can see here. That's the exact one. Okay, now and the heading, my first web page. You can see it's this as we had made. That's the one. Okay, now this is simply the basic way of creating a web page in Visual Studio Code. So now in the next video I'll be showing you more about it.